After disconnecting from the garbage disposal, we're going to reconnect the drain line back into the garbage disposal. We replace the cord here with a longer one so that we can plug that in, and after that everything should work just perfectly. So let me tighten this, and then in the back of the garbage disposal is the drain. You line up the pipe. First you put the clamp on, then you're ready. Of course, then you have to feel around for this knob that sticks out from the back of the garbage disposal, making sure you get it on nice and tight. Then you line up your clamps and you tighten it up. Nice and tight in there so that it won't come out and it won't leak. Alright, so what we got? We got this, we got this. Now we're ready to plug it in. Like this. Put your drain right here. Screw the hose back on, like that, and then you reach for your croissant wrench and it's nowhere to be seen. It got pushed over here. Ah, there it is. And you just tighten this up. Nice and tight. Like that. Turn on the water. Nothing's dripping, so you did a good job. Alright. Now, we got this done. Now we're ready. Put the screws back. And this is what I was telling you earlier about. You have the whole thing to come forward. That's why you need to have these screwed in. This is a spacer right here. You put that in, and that will prevent would be nice to be cut at the sides, but that's okay. Right like that. Keeping it snug is bug and rug. Okay. And then what we'll do is take these screws, screw them back into these clips, and then you close up, and we're done.